So NASDAQ market hits all-time highs right before our CPI data report. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and this is everything that you need to know before tomorrow's CPI data report. Just want to make sure that everyone is aware. Let's go ahead and start sharing my screen so you can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. NASDAQ market for QQQ hit highs of 503.52 right before the market closed, hitting new all-time highs. So it's not just the NASDAQ market. If you look at SPY, which is the S&P 500, also is at all-time highs. So really interesting about this is that we're about to release an inflation report tomorrow, and it's 1 hour before the market opens. I talked about it a little bit earlier in today's video, where the market has an expectation of 3.1%. Our current rate of inflation for overall CPI is 3.3%. So it's going to be really interesting to see during tomorrow's live CPI data report that if the inflation report actually comes in higher than 3.1%, get ready for markets to pull on back. But if the inflation report comes in at 3.1% or lower, get ready for markets to go even higher. I mean, it's absolutely insane to really put this into perspective, because if you look at the overall day chart from early 2024 to where we're at right now for the S&P 500 market, this has seen a 20% ROI, one of the strongest starts in the overall year that we've seen in a really, really long time. So again, will this come to an end, or will the market go higher for longer? Let me know down in the comment section what you think. But with that being said, where exactly does this report get released? Super simple. It's at the bls.gov/CPI website. This is the exact website that I'm going to be watching when the CPI data report is released. This will automatically update, and instead of showing May, it's going to show June, because the month has to complete itself and then it gets reported. So May got reported in June, and June is going to get reported in July. And that's the report that we're going to be seeing tomorrow. So again, this is the most recent CPI data report as of last month that shows that all items included food and energy are at 3.3%, and all items less food and energy came in at 3.4%. So we will see tomorrow if inflation based off of core CPI and overall CPI, if we come in lower or higher than what is expected. If you don't really understand this inflation report, then all I literally ask you to do is tune on in tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, subscribe to my channel, watch the live session. And again, it's going to be at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm going to go live about 5 to 10 minutes before 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. Or if you're here on Mountain Standard Time or Pacific Standard Time, it's going to be right around 5:30 to 5:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So it is a little bit early, but again, it's a really important report. And if you've never watched this before, it's really interesting to see the report get released, the market react, and there being a very quick gap up or gap down based off of it if it exceeds or misses market's expectation. Other than that, just wanted to make sure that you were fully aware. Tomorrow, CPI data report, 1 hour before the market opens. I will be live streaming it for free on my YouTube channel. Hopefully you can subscribe and tune on in, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications. Drop a thumbs up, and I'll see you tomorrow at market open for our live trading session. Take care, team.